morning, everyone. Thank you, opportunity. My name is Nabila Fitriani as the marketing manager of GBL. Today, I will be introducing the lasting product from GBL. The GBL 1243, a premium wireless earbuds that we believe has great potential in the high and audio market. GBL 243 in the midst of externally University company. GBL 243 comes with the most advanced technology, elegant designs, and affordable sound quality. However, like a spurious product, three are challenges that we not to face. Rank from premium price to large and now designs. Today, I will show you why GBL 243 remains a promising in first and how our strategy will to translate in practice. GBL 243. GBL 243 premium wireless earbuds. GBL 240 was officially launched in Indonesia on November 6, 2024. This launch is part of GBL commitment to deliver innovative and high-quality audio experience designed special for modern listening. With advanced features such as dual derivative GBL, Sparty 260, and starting through a filter noise challenge 2.0 and smart charging case with two screens. Before I start with two more design slides, I give you a briefing of variant of the GBL 243. Tests are premium wireless earbuds designed to deliver expensive sound quality. At first, advanced noise scales and innovative features such as the smart charger case with two screens. GBL 240 are premium wireless earbuds that community country and a technology and elegant designs to deliver unlimited audio experience. With its dual delivery system at first at noise scans 2.0 and GBL Sparty 206 Future. It delivers clear sounds and forward bass, with breathing of wind sounds is largely a variant of Warimon's, plus the smart casing cast with two screens make it as to control air boot and monitor battery status. With six tones with currently all technological quality is also highly appreciated ever in noise place. The product is fresh from those who produce sound quality and comfort. Product variants. GBL has many types of speaker includes. Number one, portable speaker. Sounds as GBL Flip, GBL Catcher, GBL Go, GBL Extreme, with art designs to bulky and waterproof and durable designs. And two, activated speaker from large and nice, such as GBL Erex on 09 BT, which is distributed from professional outside and can produce high quality sounds. 3. Home 30 speaker from a more informed moving with expresses. Case feature. Number 1. Waterproof. My GBL speaker experience portable modulus and delicious to be waterproof with a IPX7 rating, allowing a 2-tech speaker to a variety of lengths including the pole and base. And 2. Bluetooth. Most GBL speakers support Bluetooth connecting for wireless music playback from a variant of Bluetooth. 3. Forward bass. GBL speaker explicit tones with offers deliver the forward bass. Strategy solution. Number 1, building bigger and design promise. 2, exposes premium feature, full and quality. And 3, delivering more counter design variants. And 4, optimal ergonomy design and offering a variety tips. Target marketing. What is noise every month? A series of high quality audio and that less technology. Activity hours, reverse and music lover with prosy quality and comfort. Marketing strategy. Number 1, enforcing partnership and expressive event. 2, design campaign target from optional. 3, a quality account and a long fail and technology. And 4, limited time from mission to deliver on slim. Constellation. GBL 243 obstacle technology and feature attract to the growing premium market with loyal customer. Our marketing strategy freely adheres these cases of price and size, ensuring the product remains competitive. With high quality, portable, and larger market appreciation, we implore you to invest and deliver is innovative product together. Thank you for your attention.